time for Medicina Taoista. We continue to review the subject of the circular movement of the five elements in the body during the seasons. In this episode, we talk about autumn. As we have mentioned, the qi in nature has reached its highest potential in summer. It will start reversing the direction in autumn. It will be descending. Due to this reversal during the season change, it triggers lots of respiratory symptoms because autumn is related to the organ lungs. Autumn is the season of harvest and closure. People and animals start collecting and restore food to prepare for winter, and leaves are falling. Things are declining in nature. Because of this, in ancient China, the convictions of criminals would not be made until the autumn equinox, until around here, in order to follow and respect nature's law of change. So autumn is related to the following: direction of west, where sun goes down, closure, and karma calculation, element of metal, the tools for execution. The execution tools are made of metal. Color white, it is a symbol of death in traditional Chinese culture. And even today, some people will still wear the color white when they attend funeral ceremonies. The organ lungs and the nose, which is the portal, sense portal of lungs. The emotion sadness, which expressed by lungs. So the mood in nature in autumn is harvest, and then after that is shrinking. The qi movement in autumn is descending. So lungs is the organ gets stimulated the most in this season. The qi in lungs path, meridian path, should also be descending. If it's not descended properly, asthma, coughing, such respiratory symptoms may occur. Also, problems with nose sinuses also would occur because nose, as we said, is the portal of lungs. On the other hand, if it descends too much, the effect could be a depression symptoms, which is related to liver, because the excessive descending motion would require the opposite side, which is liver, to produce more drive, power to rise the qi up. Otherwise, a low liver qi would lead to a depression, which is the content that we discussed in the first episode in season spring. As you could see, the unbalanced qi between the liver and lungs, which is the left and right in this picture, would affect us emotionally, either with anger or depression or sadness. According to Chinese medicine and Taoist culture, the liver and lungs are the two organs where spirit and soul live, which connect to our emotional body and project onto our nerve system. Therefore, to treat any type of emotional, psychological problems, issues, is, according to Chinese medicine, is to work on these two meridian paths. Symptoms such as depression, rage, hallucination, addiction, ADD, attention deficit disorder, OCD, obsessive compulsive behavior, and suicidal tendencies, etc. This type of emotional and psychological related issues could all be related to the organ liver and lungs. In the next episode, we continue on this subject, moving on to winter, where the qi continue descend until reaches to its extreme yin qi, which is the feminine energy. Let's see what can we do, how can we make the most use of this extreme energy according to Chinese medicine. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.